7 steps for every voiceover audition. Hi, I'm Caroline Cole. It's Thursday, probably, if I posted this on time. Welcome to the business of storytelling. Today, you know what? It's like full spring mode. We're diving back into the bread and butter of what's up in the voiceover world, and that is auditions. So, you've probably heard me say it countless times. Focus on the audition, not the outcome. And yes, I will say it again. Focus on the audition, not the outcome. That's your job. It's not just a cliche. It's the truth. And currently, I'm juggling multiple projects, right? And I've learned firsthand that even amidst this busy schedule, I've got to keep up my auditions, because if I don't, then when all this busyness dies off, I won't have anything next, right? You never know where your next big opportunity is going to come from. Bring in any audition that comes your way, and if they're not coming your way, then go yourself out and find these some auditions. And when you do, this is the 7 steps. So if you don't have an audition, start with step 1, research. Spend 10-15 minutes. You can find an audition somewhere. ACX, Upwork, Facebook groups, anywhere, Craigslist, although be careful out there. Open separate tabs for anything that interests you. Set a timer for 15 minutes and find as many as you can. Then you want to decide how much time you have today and how many of those you can knock out. Okay, step 2. Now you've got your auditions, time to prep them. You've selected them, dive into the details. Read through all the provided information. Download all the necessary scripts and files and character notes. Familiarize yourself with any accents or specific requirements you're going to need. Preparation is key. Step 2, prep. It's key before stepping into the recording booth. This makes the best use of your time. Speaking of making the best use of your time, step 3 is warm up. You got to make the best use of your voice, and this is essential. Take some of your time, it's worth it, to stretch. Prepare your chords for the session ahead. I have other videos if you want to work more on your warm up. Then is the next step, record. Hit record, you got your script up, let that creativity flow. This is the fun part of the job, y'all. Auditioning is like trying on clothes, seeing what fits, see what you like. You can pick some out there stuff that maybe isn't what you've tried before, but might be fun to play with in an audition. Ultimately, the author decides who to cast. So you want to make sure you submit something that you enjoyed creating. How about that? Next, we're almost to the end. Next, edit. After recording, you need to take a moment to edit your audio. It's got to be polished, ready to impress. If you need a quick editing tutorial, I have that in a lot of places. Previous videos, the 5-day demo challenge has an editing, the virtual audition retreat has an editing. Anyway, lots of places for handy tips there. Once you've edited it, and you've done it really well, submit. Step 6, you're almost there. Submit it according to the instructions provided. Always according to the instructions provided. This is crucial. Always follow the instructions. And then step 7, forget it. Once it's submitted, you gotta let it go. Avoid the temptation to constantly check for updates. Trust in your audition and move forward, straight forward, right into that next audition you've lined up. Because you've done your part, you've done your best, and that's your job. And then you go back to the top and repeat. Remember, each audition is an opportunity to showcase your talent, to practice behind the mic, to make sure you're getting good quality audio, you're getting better at editing those. And who knows, eventually, one of those auditions will hit its mark. And you'll have your job. Thanks for coming this week, y'all. I'm Caroline Cole. This is the business of storytelling. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I'm so glad that you stop by a couple times a month. Make sure that you're letting me know when you're stopping by, because I love talking to you guys. So messaging me below, hitting little comments are great. Make sure you're not missing any of these. I also have tons of stuff that I have created to keep you guys going, to keep you on task, to kind of help motivate along this weird, lonely online boss journey. Make sure you're following on Instagram. That's where I am most of the time. I'm also on TikTok, got those videos. Comment, subscribe, the email list if you need some PDFs or want something to print out that will keep you really on track. Make sure your demo is up to scratch. All of that can also be found below. And if you're here from the virtual audition retreat, then let me know, you guys, because you are doing this video in real time this weekend. So, I'll see you guys in May. Keep submitting those auditions. Also tell me all your wins. What have you booked this week? What'd you book? What'd you book? What'd you book? Okay, see you next week. Bye.